Good evening. I am Pash Bora from PTA and I, as a volunteer of NSS, is here in front of you to raise slogans to honor the community which is LGBTQ community. I want to honor them by saying some slogans as a way to encourage the society and to enlighten the society to treat them equal and to give them equal status, to not treat them as an outward. With slogans, I start by saying that being gay, it is natural, but hating gay is a lifestyle choice. I say that being gay is like glitter. It never goes away. If homosexuality is a disease, then let's call in a queer to work. Hello, can't work today. Still queer. The only queer people are those who don't love anybody. Then I think that nature made a mistake, but I have corrected it. And a very famous slogan said by Troy Perry is that the Lord is my shepherd and I knows that I am a gay. Next, then love him and let him you. Do you think anything else in the heaven really matters? Then at the last, I only want to say that we all are made for goodness. We all are made for love. We are made for togetherness. We are made to love each other. We are the very beautiful part of the society. We are made to tell the world that no one is outsider, whether it may be white, black, rich, poor, educated, non-educated, straight, female, male, gay, anyone. All and all, we all belong to one society, and that one society is called human society. The God society, the human society. Thank you.
Equality means more than passing laws. The real struggle is really won in the hearts and minds of the community, where it really counts.
You are lovable, you are enough, you are worthy, you are brave.
In every community, there is work to be done. In every nation, there wants to be healed. In every heart, there is power to do it.
Everyone, so what do you think when someone mentions pride? The rainbow flag? The equality for all? How about the pride slogans? They are the perfect way to describe what the LGBT community is all about. And let's support it with some the catchy slogans. So, celebrate your pride. Love wins every time. Be proud no matter what others says. One team, one community, one love. Free your gender. Pride is for everyone, no exceptions. There is no pride in prejudice. Rainbow flags flies for everyone. So I support LGBT community. Thank you for NSS team.
Good evening, everyone. My slogan is when it comes to the right of LGBT people, UN is anything but neutral. Thank you.
The rainbow is our color and the unity is our pride.
हाय भाई, कैसा है तू? हेलो भाई, मैं बढ़िया। तू बता? बस यार, एकदम बढ़िया। तू बता, आज कैसे याद किया? मैं तुझसे कुछ कहना चाहता था भाई। हाँ, बोल ना। हम दोस्त हैं ना? अरे दोस्त क्या? अपन तो जिगरी यार है यार। आजा, गले लग जा। आएंगे। क्या? हाँ। अबे हट, जा यहाँ से। कोई दोस्त नहीं है तुम्हारा। मैंने गलत किया। मुझे अच्छा पता। मैं दोस्त हूँ। अरे भाई, रुक रुक। मुझे माफ कर दे। तू जो भी है, जैसा तू, मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है। और मैं हमेशा तेरे साथ हूँ। ये हम सरल नहीं है। समाज ने हम सरल कर दिया। So let us reunite. Acceptance needs understanding.
Hello everyone, my name is Akshara Jatkar. I am a first year student of MBA HR. Today I am going to speak on the topic awareness about LGBTQ community. I am straight but not narrow. Being an LGBTQ is not a problem, nor it's a choice. They are merely individuals who have sexual preferences that differ from the others. Saying it that it's objectively wrong to have preferences that differ from others is objectively wrong in itself. On the internet, in the workplace or in a bus, LGBTQ community people are victims for hate speech than the others, resulting in LGBTQ people who remain in closet facing discrimination. According to the reports, 50% of the people of LGBT community have experienced depression and mania. Hence, I think everyone in the world has the right to live in the society with full respect and dignity. At the end, I would like to say, प्यार हुआ, इकरार हुआ, LGBTQ हुआ तो क्या हुआ? Thank you.
Good morning. Hi, I am Archana, and I would like to make awareness regarding the LGBT, which is lesbians, gay, bisexual, and transsexual. These peoples have gained more and more tolerance and acceptance in India, especially in the last decades. This discrimination is still present in the rural areas and often face rejection from their families and forced opposite sex marriage. People of this community are fighting for their equal rights and acceptance. People prejudice leads them to think that these peoples are odd and very different. The human rights of lesbians, gay, transgenders, and intersex peoples are coming into sharper focus around the world. It follows that all women have dignity and all women should be treated as equal. In September 2018, the Supreme Court also decriminalized about the consensual same-sex relationships in the section 327, and I'd like to say that the school college can, whenever they organize a function or event, they must invite the local lesbians, gay, bisexual, transaction, and can be invited so that and they must share the story and their experience, and students may be in position to understand and accept them as member of the society. The students get an opportunity to ask a question and get answer which might change their perceptions. There is need to make people add their perceptions. There is need to make that work person understand that lesbians, gay, bisexuals, and transsexuals are clients, colleges, friends, and family. These people have rights, whereas we have people in society still they face this problems and disturbance, as well as they most of they pass the comments to them, because why we should must be obey, because they are the women, they also have the equal rights as we have, because India is a democratic country, and when we think that this the how much right we have, they also have the same rights. They have freedom to live, freedom to enjoy, freedom to take decision, so whatever they want, the way they and I would like to suggest this also, that they should get a good job opportunity and educations as per they needed, because what for wherever there should be no differentiation while taking, and when they take their admission in either the school or the college, there should no be differentiation and discrimination.
Be visible, be proud, don't hide who you are.
I'm Vaishnavi Latyal from BBA first semester division D. I hate people when they say you support gays in a rude tone. No, I support equality because they are also a human being like us. Let's live and let them live.
Raising the bar for LGBTQ community. Be visible, be pride. Don't hide who you are. After all, love is love. Let's march across the country. Believe in pride. Be proud of who you are. Accept people for who they are. Be proud for who you are. Pride keeps us safe. Celebrate diversity. Be your own kind of beautiful.
Gay is good, coined by early gay activist Frank Kemeny, modeled on African American slogan. Beautiful, black is beautiful. Next one is gay bag bash. This slogan is often used by more militant gay peoples and implies self-defense against gay bashers. Majority does not exist. This slogan was popularized by Make Out in Blairish during the 2016 opening of the Meta Cure Festival, where we were here, we were cured, get used to it. This slogan was popularized by Queen Nation. And last one was Hey Hey Ho Ho, homophobia got to go, used by Organization for Women Now. So these are my some slogan for LGBTQ community, and thank you for listening me.
LGBTQ means don't be afraid to show your true colors to the world. And the slogan for these are love wins and we are here, we are queer, let's get used to it.
Myself, Diksha Shrivastava. I'm here to speak some words on LGBTQ population. Equality means more than passing the law. The struggle is really won in heart and the mind of the community, where it really counts, said by Barbara Gittings. Barbara Gittings was known for being an American activist fighting on behalf of LGBTQ population. The United States of government, as she tried to stop them for bearing LGBTQ applicants for employment. However, as she stated herself in the above quote that her greatest wish was to not pass the law but try to acceptance and equality. At last, I want to say that don't afraid to show off your true colors. Thank you.
Greetings, this is Gracie Rai. So, talking about LGBTQ community, it is an initialism that stands for lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender in use since 1990s, which began to replace the term gay in reference to broader LGBTQ community. So, once Anthony Van Brown said, "The richness, beauty, and depth of love can only be fully experienced in a climate of complete openness, honesty, and vulnerability." Conversion therapy, which has been a major issue for LGBTQ youth for decades, it is often used in Christian communities to encourage queer youths to use religion to combat their homosexual desires. Anthony Van Brown went through such a treatment and in Australia and later publicly denounced such programs. He advocated for the abolishment of such programs by describing the damage what they do to LGBTQ community and youth who are forced to undergo them, as well as the damage that lack of acceptance can have an entire community. And in the end, I would like to end my speech with a slogan that celebrate your pride.
Hi everyone, I'm Sonal Abda from MBA General Division A. Today we are talking about awareness campaign for LGBTQ community. Why are you mad when you could be glad? I think everyone who is living in the world, either normal or abnormal, has equal right to live in a society with full respect. If normal men and women has right to live in a society with the respect, then why not the person who belongs to the transgender can live in this society with respect? It is not about what our religion says, it's all about the humanity says. If we talk about religion as per the Hindu aspect, Lord Rama had given boon to Hijras for the loyalty. That's why we cure or boon to Hijras means a lot of normal being. People in a transgender community fight for the equal rights and acceptance. Trans people especially face a lot of difficulty in finding acceptance. It is a major issue because of discrimination against the transgender community. It is highly widespread. I think every parents and teachers should educate their children. Highly widespread. I think every parents and teachers should educate their children and themselves to give respect to the transgender community and don't discriminate them. As we make friendship with the normal people, we should make with them too as a normal friends. There are many social workers works to give place and respect to the transgender. If we people get chance to participate to help them, we all should come together and help transgender to get the respect place in our society. My message to all the transgender community, आप लोग अलग है, गलत नहीं. Thank you.
I believe we all can come together because if you take away all the labels, you will realize we are far more alike than we are different. Well, I just wanted to say that all of us are equal and we all have equal rights to live. We support LGBTQ community. They should not feel any lower than the other because they are not. We support them. They have all rights just like us. Today, in support of LGBTQ community, I would like to share few slogans. Gender inequality doesn't make sense anymore. Never be bullied to silence. Don't allow anyone's definition of your life define yourself. हाँ अलग है उनकी पसंद, हाँ अलग है उनके प्यार करने का ढंग, लेकिन उन्हें नीचा दिखाने से तुम कोई महान नहीं और तुम्हारे विचारों से वो कम इंसान नहीं. Thank you.
You know what? I'm so really jealous of my brother right now. He's an absolute nail artist and his nail updates, it's just bang on each and every time. And just look at mine. Yes, you heard it right. He is my brother. It's just one of those things that he really loves and he's really passionate about. And what do you even mean? Is he straight or not? Like, come on, a line can be straight, a street can be straight. My phone's edges are straight. not a human heart who's really who's free to feel for everyone, who can feel for anyone, love anyone, care about anyone irrespective of the gender. Freedom is equality, and if you don't believe and acknowledge equality for all, then technically you don't have any right to fight for your freedom. And do you even realize that a human at heart always loves other human? He or she doesn't fall for any gender, because at the end of the day what really matters is what you feel about that person, what connects you both. And do you realize that it's not always Jack went up the hill and Jill came tumbling after? It can be John sometimes, who really cares for him. And always remember that you don't have to be a gay to be a supporter. You just need to be a human at heart who loves the other human. And whenever you find such people who are in really denial of their existence, just let them know that there is nothing wrong with them. Instead, it's a lot more wrong in the world, in the society that they exist in, which can be a better place if we all normalize it, if we all decide to treat them better because they deserve it. And hey, homophobiacs, you got to go, man. Thank you.
आज़ादी तो मिल गई हमें अंग्रेज़ों से, एक छोटी सोच से कहाँ मिल पाई है। माँ बैंड के बाद LGBTQ की यही गालियाँ तो हमने बनाई हैं। इन लोगों को आइसोलेशन में भी डालते हो और फिर बाद में डिप्रेशन के लिए खड़े भी हो जाते। परिवार से तो लड़ लेगा, बस सोसाइटी से ना लड़ पाएगा। हिम्मत दिखानी है तो यहाँ दिखाओ, हर कोई बॉर्डर तक नहीं पहुँच पाएगा। कानून इन्हें हक देता है, तुम इनसे क्यों छीन लेते हो? इंसान हो, इंसानियत नहीं दिखा पाए, हैवानियत क्यों दिखा जाते हो? भारत का विकास तो हो गया, पर इसके लोगों का ना हो पाया है। खुले में शौच तो बंद करवा दी, पर खुले में घटिया सोच कहाँ कौन रोक पाया है। चलो एक पहल करते हैं, अपनी सोच में बदलाव लाते हैं। चलो एक पहल करते हैं, अपनी सोच में बदलाव लाते हैं। तुम कोई नहीं होते उनकी सोच बदलने वाले, अपनी सोच से शुरुआत कर लाते हैं।
Hey everyone, this side Sajan Singh Gandhi. I am a student of BBA first year. Thank you for giving me opportunity to speak on the topic LGBTQ community. What do you mean by LGBTQ? L stand for lesbian, G stand for gay, B stand for bisexual, and T stand for transgender. And there are some slogans like love him, let him love you, do you think, and anything else until really matters. And there is one more slogan. Nature made a mistake which I have corrected. My silence has not protected me, but your silence will also not protected you. Thank you.